In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout form in Gumroad. If you want to collect extra information from customers during checkout, Gumroad gives you a simple way to do that by adding custom fields to your form. This can be useful if you need details like a note from the buyer, preferences related to the product, or any other information that helps you deliver a better experience. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to set it up. To begin, open your Gumroad dashboard and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, go to the checkout section. This area contains settings related to the buying experience, so it's the right place to manage what customers see when they're ready to purchase. Once you're in the checkout area, click on Checkout Form. This will open the section where you can manage the fields shown to buyers during the checkout process. If you've never customized it before, this page may look fairly simple at first, but it gives you the control you need to collect the right information. Next, click on Add Custom Field. This is the option that lets you create a new field and place it on the checkout form. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to choose the kind of field you want to add. Now select the type of field you want to use. The best choice depends on the kind of information you want from your customer. For example, some field types are better for short answers, while others may be more suitable for specific kinds of input. Choosing the right format helps keep checkout clear and easy for the buyer. After that, enter a label for the field. The label is what your customer will read, so make sure it's direct and easy to understand. A clear label reduces confusion and helps ensure people enter the information you actually need. Next, click the product drop-down menu. This allows you to decide which product the customized checkout field should apply to. If you sell more than one product, this step is especially important because you may not want the same field to appear on every checkout page. From the drop-down list, choose the product where you want to customize the checkout form. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct product before moving on. Finally, click Save Changes. This will apply your custom field to the selected product's checkout form. And that's it. Your Gumroad checkout form is now customized. After saving, it's a good idea to review the form and make sure everything looks the way you want before sending customers through it.